was really interested in doing like engineering, becoming an architect, so it's perfect for me. My favorite part of the program is like 100% the modeling.
Is the front end of product design for any type of engineering discipline, be it architecture, civil engineering, mechanical engineering.
I want to do something with my hands rather than sitting at the table and getting lectured. The teamwork and the leaders involved with everything. If you get stuck, you can ask your teammates and then ask our teacher to kind of just help out.
I decided I wanted to specialize more in a skill, and I really enjoy it right now.
My goals from this class is just to gain leadership skills, teamwork skills. I love the people here, I love the teacher, and I love the programs. I just love everything about it.
Once you learn it, it gets easier. I love it. I want more people to join actually.
I really like the friends that I've made in this class, and if this is what you think is something that you're interested in, to be as active as you can and to make the most of your time here at CV Tech.
If you love programming, you love modeling things, crafting things, you have a creative mind, I think this class is just perfect for you.